For phonics practice today, we are reading the book Kids Banana Split. And in today's class, we are practicing the ending sound it. Let's go! As always, I'll read first and you'll listen, and then you read on your own after. Are you ready? This is Kit. Kit will make a banana split. Your turn, go. Nice work. First, Kit must sit. Your turn. Good. Kit takes a banana. It must fit. Many things must fit in the banana split. You try, go. Nice. Kit makes a slit. Be careful, Kit. Your turn. Nice. Kit takes some ice cream. It must fit. More things must fit in the banana split. Your turn, go. Nice. Kit takes some fudge. Just a little bit. More things must fit in the banana split. Your turn, go. Nice. Kit takes some pineapple. Just a little bit. More things must fit in the banana split. Your turn, go. Good job. Kit takes some strawberries. Just a little bit. More things must fit in the banana split. Your turn, go. Doing great. Kit takes some whipped cream. Just a little bit. What else must fit in the banana split? Your turn, go. You're doing amazing. And now the final page. Kit has a cherry. She takes out the pit. Now it is time to eat the banana split. Your turn, go. Amazing! In today's class, we practiced many words with the ending sound it. And now it's your turn. You have to tell me if these words are also rhyming words with the same ending sounds. Are you ready? The first word is knit. Does knit rhyme with bit? What do you think? Good, it does rhyme because knit has ending sound it, just like bit. Good job. The second word is frog. Does frog rhyme with pit? What do you think? Good. It doesn't rhyme at all because frog has ending sound og. Very good. The third word is lit. Does lit rhyme with bit? What do you think? Good. This one does rhyme because lit has ending sound it, just like fit. Good job. Now the fourth word is moon. Does moon rhyme with sit? What do you think? Good. It doesn't rhyme because moon has ending sound oon. Good job. The next word is apple. Does apple rhyme with it? What do you think? Good. It doesn't rhyme because apple has ending sound poo. Very good. What about the final word? Hit. Does hit rhyme with slit? What do you think? Good. This one does rhyme because hit has ending sound it, just like slit. Good job. Now it's your turn to tell me how many words you can think of with the same ending sound, it. Write it all down below. Take some time to think about it, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the next lesson for some more learning fun. That's all for now. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.